Hello beautiful people, it's Travel Joseph Uganda, and today we are going for a road trip, guys. So guys, we are going to the west. That's the western part of Uganda for 4 days and 3 nights with Mr. Hassan plus the kids. And so this is the bike that we're using. This is the baby that we're gonna be using for the 4 days trip, and you won't miss what I'll be showing you guys. Let's go. So on our journey, we are now encroaching the Ankole region, famously known for the long-horned cows. But now, before that, we had to reach to the equator. That is the Uganda equator, here in a place called Kayabwe.
With this flower, so it's called Coriolis effect, or the magnetic fields. So all those live in the north, in the sea, in the toilet, that's how the water flows. Those who live south, it goes the other around. On the zero, nothing happens. It doesn't spin, it stays still and drops straight down. And if you want to be confused, you can even use the same bar. Farther away from the equator, faster the speed. Closer to the equator, the slower.
After checking the equator line, so we had to continue with our journey to the land of honey and milk. In Uganda, the place called Imbara, or a district called Imbara, they consider it as a place of honey and milk because they really rear a lot of cows and they really produce high amounts of honey here in Uganda, and their cows are really so good. But now the time comes here of the chicken. Guys, I really love spiced chicken, as you can see, and now it's time for me to take the bite. I don't feel like giving someone because I was really hungry after a long ride on the highway. Wow, look at someone really peeping. Why do you eat alone, George? After a long drive, we are now at Maple Leaf Hotel here in Masaka, as you can see, guys. It's a really nice building. It's a nice hotel here in Masaka, Uganda, and the Pearl of Africa, as you know, guys. So we are going for lunch. I'm gonna be showing you what we shall be eating because we just got chicken on the way when we are coming. So right now we want to have lunch, and I'm gonna be showing you what we shall be eating because they told me it's a buffet. As you know, with buffet they bring you variety of food, so I'm gonna be showing you everything, guys. Stick up with me. Travel with Joseph Uganda. I'm now feeling so fine because I took some medication yesterday. I know I've been telling you that I'm sick, but right now I'm feeling fine. Before having lunch, I would love to show you this place. Yeah, they have a big parking lot, as you can see. It's a big parking yard, guys. And wow, guys, this is so amazing. Maple Leaf Hotel. Yeah, this is called Maple Leaf Hotel in Masaka. As you can see, full of glass. Yeah, and then over there, let me show you there. There's a garden, and I wish to show it to you guys. But guys, this is an amazing hotel. As you can see it, guys. So this is their garden where you can come with your family and you chill from. It's very beautiful and so nice. And it's very quiet. It's in a quiet place. So if you feel like you wanna have a drink, you can just come and have a drink from here. I guess they even have good accommodations. I don't know whether we'll check it out. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna be having from here. After we had our lunch, then we had to continue with our journey, that is to Mbarara, the western part of Uganda. And our next plan was what? To go and see the Ankole cow.
Welcome to the land of Ankole cows. Kaboom!
Welcome to the land of Ankole cows in Uganda. So guys, this is our second destination. And as you can see, the area, guys, it's a dry area currently, just because it's too shining in Uganda. It's a dry season, that's why you see that the area is gonna be dry. But this is the land of the long-horned cattle in Uganda, or the Ankole cows. So we're gonna be checking out this place, and I'm gonna be showing you the long-horned cows. See you guys. Guys, I'm really so tired, and we have just reached in a guest house here in Barara, and today I'm gonna be sleeping here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sleeping, and then I'm gonna be putting here my clothes here. Yeah, they have a net, beautiful net, round one. If I feel like watching, I'm gonna be watching. And then the shower. Wow, the shower. Yeah, they have. I love the shower. It's nice. Okay. I have to first shower, and then we go have supper, and after supper I come back, I sleep, and we wait for the tomorrow's journey. So we are now here for the place. This is a Chicken Express, as you can see. It's Chicken Express in Bara, where we feel like we wanna get some supper, and we shall be having chicken, I think, with some chips, and then some cold drinks. But guys, fact is, the city is so cold. As you can see me putting on my bomber. You don't call this bomber. They can call maybe a jumper or whatever, a jacket, but call it a bomber. And the city is so cool, as you can see behind. That's the road. That's the road, guys. And I'm here just on waiting for the chicken to get ready, well fried. You know we love chicken so much at home, so we're having fried chicken as our supper with chips and some cold drink. So I'm gonna be showing you around, guys. So we are back finally from having our supper. We just ate chicken and chips. Yeah, so I hope guys you have enjoyed this episode. Yeah, my road trip to the west. Yeah, to the western part of Uganda, that's Mbarara. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be showing you what places, or I mean which places will I be checking out. Yeah, which places will I be checking out in Mbarara, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. Yeah, as you enjoy to see Uganda more, you know Uganda is more beautiful and is considered as the pearl of Africa. You know that very well. Yeah, so just keep on subscribing, like, comment, and share. To those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And to those who have been praying for me, you know, I told you that I'm not feeling well. I posted by the way that I'm not feeling well. Yeah, thanks for the prayers. Your prayers are working, guys. I really appreciate Maraming Salmat. Yeah, those who have been praying for me, thank you so much. And those who commented about my post, like wishing me a quick recovery, you know, praying for me and telling me what to do about my sickness. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. Yeah, so guys, it's time to sleep. I feel like I wanna rest because we had a drive. I think we have spent like around like 5 hours on the road. Yeah, because it's a long distance and we've been having some stopovers. Like we had to stop at the hotel to have some lunch, and we stopped to the Ankole farm as you saw. Then we had to drive to the town of Bara, so we took some long time on the way. Hope guys you have enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thanks for the love. Please let's catch it up on the next episode. Love you so much.